Hello fellow beings, how you doing? Have you noticed that we are always told to start our day with positive thoughts? But what if I told you to start your day with negative thoughts? You may say this guy has gone crazy. But no, I'll justify this claim by introducing you to Stoicism. In the next 2 minutes, we'll try to understand what Stoicism is and its origin. Before we begin, just a reminder, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, do subscribe it for more such short videos on philosophy and book summaries. So let's begin. Stoicism is a school of philosophy which was originated in ancient Greece and Rome by a philosopher named Zeno. Now the story goes back to around 300 BC. A merchant named Zeno, who was making a business trip on his ship, suffered a shipwreck. He somehow managed to survive this disaster and was able to pull himself to Athens. He had nearly lost everything. He, however, loved reading books. He went to a bookstore, and here is where he was introduced to philosophy. He started following and learning from the great philosophers of that time, and slowly as time passed gathered a following for himself. People in Athens used to address Zeno and his followers as Stoics. Reason being, they used to meet at Stoa Polycle, a pillar-like structure erected across Athens, and used to discuss and teach philosophy. Hence the philosophy of Stoics came to be known as Stoicism. Now this was the history of Stoicism, but what does this philosophy actually mean? If you search in dictionary or Google the term Stoic, you'll find definition like someone who is calm and unemotional. Well, it's true, and it's also not true. The people who practice Stoicism learn to keep calm and rational mind because they accept whatever is happening, that is, their fate, and are unaffected by any kind of external events, because they have learned the art of differentiating between things which they can control and which they can't. Stoicism is a real and practical philosophy which acts like a tool set that helps us direct our thoughts and actions in an unpredictable world. Unlike other philosophies, this doesn't question or tries to find answers to the questions like meaning and purpose of life, existence of God, etc. Rather, Stoicism says we are given a life, we'll eventually die one day. Our purpose as human is to live according to nature, in agreement with the world design, and not just that, it encourages us to follow the pursuit of self-mastery, perseverance, and wisdom. Like in the beginning of the video, I mentioned you about starting your day with negative thoughts. What it actually means is to practice negative visualization by imagining what can go wrong. How can I prepare myself for it? So you are always one step ahead and ready to face any disaster. This whole negative visualization is just one of many principles in Stoicism. There are many other like memento mori, remembering death, amor fati, that is accepting one's fate, etc. etc. All of which we'll be discussing in our future video as part of our 2-minute series. So yeah, this was a small intro session on Stoicism. If you have gained something out of it, please do subscribe for more such videos. Take care, stay safe, and bye bye.